Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine.
Today, we're going to learn the types of birds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is a parrot.
Parrots can talk and love to copy human sounds.
This is a pigeon.
Pigeons are smart birds that can find their way home from far away.
This is a sparrow.
Sparrows are tiny birds that live in cities and sing sweet songs.
This is an owl.
Owls can see in the dark and are awake at night.
This is an eagle.
Eagles are strong birds with sharp eyes and powerful wings.
This is a chicken.
Chickens lay eggs and live on farms.
This is a duck.
Ducks love water and make a funny quacking sound.
This is a turkey.
Turkeys are big birds with fluffy feathers and a wobbly neck.
This is a peacock.
Peacocks have bright blue feathers and a beautiful tail.
This is a flamingo.
Flamingos are pink birds that stand on one leg.
This is a penguin.
Penguins can't fly, but swim very fast in cold water.
This is a swan.
Swans are big white birds with long necks and glide on water.
This is a dove.
Doves are symbols of peace and coo softly.
This is a robin.
Robins have red chests and are often seen in gardens.
This is a woodpecker.
Woodpeckers peck trees with their beaks to find bugs.
This is a hummingbird.
Hummingbirds flap their wings so fast they can hover in place.
This is a crane.
Cranes are tall birds with long legs and necks.
This is a pelican.
Pelicans have big beaks and scoop fish from the water.
This is a seagull.
Seagulls live near the sea and love to eat snacks.
This is a stork.
Storks are large birds that often live near rivers and lakes.
This is an ostrich.
Ostriches are the biggest birds and can run very fast.
This is an emu.
Emus are big birds from Australia that can't fly.
This is a rooster.
Roosters crow loudly to wake people up in the morning.
This is a hen.
Hens are mother chickens that lay eggs.
This is a hawk.
Hawks fly high and use sharp claws to catch prey.
This is a falcon.
Falcons are fast birds that dive quickly through the air.
This is a vulture.
Vultures eat leftovers and help keep nature clean.
This is a macaw.
Macaws are colorful parrots that live in rainforests.
This is a cockatoo.
Cockatoos have funny crests and love to play.
This is a canary.
Canaries are yellow birds that sing beautifully.
This is a finch.
Finches are small birds with colorful feathers.
This is a blue jay.
Blue jays are loud, blue birds that love shiny things.
This is a cardinal.
Cardinals are bright red birds that sing cheerful songs.
This is a kingfisher.
Kingfishers catch fish by diving into the water.
This is a toucan.
Toucans have big, colorful beaks and live in the jungle.
This is a magpie.
Magpies are clever birds that collect shiny things.
This is a heron.
Herons have long legs for standing in water to catch fish.
This is a kite.
Kites are graceful birds that glide in the sky.
This is a quail.
Quails are small round birds that run fast on the ground.
This is a cuckoo.
Cuckoos are famous for their cuckoo sound and laying eggs in other birds' nests.
This is a lorikeet.
Lorikeets are colorful parrots that drink sweet nectar.
This is a lovebird.
Lovebirds are tiny parrots that always stay in pairs.